早起看世界，镜头来澳洲。澳洲有一个妈妈防指控讲，伊胎死家己4个囡仔，伊是互判刑，判讲爱关30档。2003年时，互掠一批关，已经关20档啊。毋过伫去年时，有新的科学证据检验，发现讲伊那真像有可能是互冤枉的。即马澳洲的法院已经宣告伊无罪，甲伊放出来啊。伊即马互冤枉，所以伊拍算要向国家讨赔偿。
总算涉毒罪名的福比格太太行出法院时阵，难免激动，一直七目屎。
I am grateful that updated science and genetics has given me answers as to how my children died. However, even in 1999, we had legal answers to prove my innocence. They were ignored and dismissed. The system preferred to blame me rather than accept that sometimes children can and do die suddenly, unexpectedly, and heartbreakingly.
今年55岁，为澳洲来凯撒琳·福比格生2个查甫2个查某，不过4个囡仔拢伫1989年到1999年10年，拢伫红影时阵就死亡。死的时阵年纪上侪岁1岁半，上少岁才出49天。迄个时阵，福比格互检方以谋杀甲过失杀人罪起诉，伊坚持家己无罪，囡仔是自然死亡。不过法官到尾裁决相关的罪名成立，判处伊30年有期徒刑。一直到去年新的科学证据指出，伊的2个囡仔真有可能是基因突变致使死亡。另外2个死亡嘛，甲健康因素有关系。这件互人讲上领会连续太红影案，因为安尼大平盘，福比格伫今年6月得到特赦出狱。暂时上诉法院进一步撤销伊的罪名，伊决定针对误判，害伊被关20年，要申请国赔。
I'm not prepared to put a figure on it, but it will be bigger than any substantial payment that has been made before.
澳洲科学院对福比格的案件改判表示肯定，嘛呼吁当局坚持唔通冤枉，嘛唔通放目的精神，进行司法改革，卖互类似的误判案情搁再发生。公司新闻詹慧敏编译。